Hey everyone, welcome back to another freaking video. I hope that you guys are having a beautiful, amazing day. I have not posted in a very long time, I feel. I have a lot going on, you guys. A lot of anxiety and depression and a lot of stuff. Right now, I'm working, but I decided to take a break because I'm hungry. It's kind of late, and I don't know. I just need to eat something. The kids are at their grandma's house. Talk about Talk about chips and cheese. It's so good. And park in this huge parking lot. So, I'm driving Lyft right now. On my very first ride, I asked him how much he paid. He told me he paid like almost $20. It was like 19 something. Excuse me. Excuse me. I paid like 19 something, and I got like 5 something out of that ride. So I don't know what's going on with Lyft. I don't know. But I've been working, I don't know how many hours, and I've only made almost 200. Chalupa. I ordered 2 chalupas. I was gonna order a Doritos taco. I had to take a break from the area I was in because the area I was in is not a good area, and especially at nighttime. So I got this Diablo sauce. I don't think I've ever tried it. I'm not a fan of anything but hot until I tried fire, and fire's alright. I'm gonna try Diablo, see how it tastes. It is spicy. But it has this weird flavor. Like, there's a car pulling out, probably wondering what I'm doing here. This is spicy. It just has like a weird flavor. You know what? You know, like if you put cumin in your hot sauce. I don't know if that has cumin, but it has a weird flavor. Normally, I don't like cumin in my hot sauce. I'm hungry and I'm tired. But I'm gonna keep working because I want to go camping this week. And I want to go to Newport. The aquarium. I want to take my kids to Newport. I should have got a crunch wrap. A napkin came with my chip. But I am not happy at this point in my life. I don't know what I'm going through, but I'm very stressed out. I'm depressed. Look at my eyes. Why are they like, my eyes seem like so shiny? Maybe because I'm sad. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I'm just sad. I don't think I've ever felt like this. Like, ever. But I'm definitely depressed because I've never felt like this sad. I can't explain it. I'm frustrated, stressed, confused. I don't know. It's so funny because even though I'm sad, I feel like God finds ways to make me happy. I don't know. And I feel like I haven't prayed. And probably that's why I feel sad. I just forget to pray. But I woke up early to do laundry. And I took like 8 bags of laundry to the laundromat. And excuse me. Okay. Excuse me. And the guy that works there, like I don't know if he works there or he's the owner. I think he's the owner. He gave me like a bunch of quarters. For free. That was nice. It just reminded me of like a lady that used to give us quarters when we were little, so that we could play like the games, the video games that were there. She always gave us quarters. Ugh. I don't know. It's spicy, but I don't like that flavor. That's gross. They didn't have hot sauce or fire sauce, anything. I'm hungry. That the other sauce is disgusting. Bruh. I passed by 82nd here in Portland. Like around 8. Ooh, the clouds are pretty. They're like pink. Like around 8. Suspicious activity. If I don't get a ride within 4 minutes, I'm going home. I'm not working anymore. That just means it's slow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Anyways, you guys. I don't know if I posted that I got a new car, you guys, but this is my new car. I'm inside my new car. I use it for Lyft to work. I used to work. You guys are like, oh, that's a cute shirt. Where did you get it? I got this shirt at Ross. I found a couple cute shirts at Ross. Let me hide this. I hope it doesn't smell nasty for my peeps. For my passengers. But I got some pink lemonade. I got my nails done, you guys. Look at that. So, been on top of getting my nails done. I'm trying to give you guys a close up. Isn't that cute? They're cute. Anyways, I gotta go. I don't know, this lemonade tastes weird. Gotta go, you guys. I hope that you guys have a beautiful, amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful, amazing day. Give the video a huge thumbs up. I'm gonna be posting more often. I just gotta clear my head, and talk about some stuff, so that if you guys are going through stuff, just know everybody goes through things, and you're not alone. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not the only one going through things. Excuse me. I don't know what it is, you guys. It's crazy. Like, I'm in a good place in life. Like, I'm financially stable, which was a big struggle before, and that was like one of my biggest stressors, was that we weren't financially stable. And now that we are, my stress is like, I think I feel lonely, and I have no motivation. I feel lonely. My house is not clean, and you guys know I like to post like organization videos and stuff like that. Well, my house is not the nicest right now, and it makes me sad. It makes me really sad, because it just makes me think like I'm not okay because my house isn't clean, so I haven't slept in my room. You guys are gonna think this is so weird. I have not slept in my room for probably a whole month. I've been sleeping in the living room on the floor. First it was because I was comfortable, and then it's like, I think it's because I don't want to be in my room, and my room makes me depressed, so I gotta clean my room. But what did I decide to do? I decided to come to work instead of clean. But I try not to be hard on myself. I try to motivate myself little by little. That's a nice motorcycle. That is a very nice motorcycle. But yeah, you guys, I will be posting more videos later on. Trying to get my thoughts together on what it is that I'm feeling. I don't know. I'm doing counseling, and I have one more session because my counselor is gonna move. It's my second counselor that ends up moving, so I'm gonna have a third counselor, and I'm probably gonna catch you guys up on that stuff because it's a lot. But I'll let you guys go. Hope to see you guys in my future videos, and I love you guys. Bye.